Good morning, my friends from Marlborough. How are you today? It's Rolo, your faithful school dog here, ready to support you with another wonderful week of learning. How was your weekend? I hope you enjoyed the fireworks. I must admit, I found them quite scary. I didn't like all of those loud bangs and explosions in the sky. But Miss Foley made sure that I felt comfortable and I felt safe. She said I was a really brave boy. Well, I'm here to help Miss Foley introduce this week's assembly. And this week, we're going to concentrate on the character strength of hope. So Miss Foley, over to you to share a story all about hope with the boys and girls.
Thank you, Rolo, for that lovely introduction. As Rolo said, today's assembly is all about hope. But what is hope? It can be quite hard to describe, but I think hope is about being positive about the future. Hope's something that you feel when there's something that you want to happen, but you don't know whether it will. Sometimes just thinking about the thing that's going to happen makes you feel really excited or really happy. But you also need to remember that it may not happen, so you won't be disappointed if it doesn't. But having hope helps you to feel happy and excited about the future. And my story today explores hope in a little bit more detail. It's a beautiful story called Alex After the Rain. It's by an author called Dunja Jogan, and it's translated by Olivia Hallowell. And I think as we go through the story, you'll see how the character Felix, how hope really transforms the way that he feels about things. So I hope you enjoy today's story. Felix After the Rain. Felix was a terribly unhappy boy. He dragged an enormous suitcase behind him wherever he went, but he didn't know what was inside. Something dark had appeared in the suitcase when Grandma died. Something hurtful had hidden inside when his friends made fun of him. Something bothersome had burrowed its way in when his dad told him off. The suitcase became heavier and heavier. Felix could barely manage to push it along. If only he could leave it somewhere and escape across the ocean. But the sea was so rough and the winds were so wild. Grandma used to say to Felix that the sun always shines after the rain, and that after every uphill climb, there's a downhill stroll. One day, Felix reached the top of the hill, puffing and panting. He lay down in the shade and fell asleep. A small boy was playing nearby. He caught sight of the suitcase, crept towards it, and opened it up. All of a sudden, the sky turned grey. Felix found himself in the middle of a storm. He felt a rumble in his head, and his eyes filled with tears that ran down his cheeks like the rain. When the storm had settled, Felix felt calm too. "What did you do with the suitcase?" he asked the curious boy. He just smiled, and Felix thanked him. Felix came down from the hilltop, and he looked at the clouds in the sky. He smelt the blossom on the trees, and he listened to the hum of the friendly breeze. Without a care in the world, he leapt towards the clear blue sea. "I feel like a fish in water." He returned home, empty-handed, but with a heart full of happiness. It lifted him off the ground like a balloon. Felix was so happy he wanted to give everyone a hug. And everyone gently hugged Felix. So, in our story today, when Felix was carrying around that suitcase full of worries and anxieties, he couldn't be hopeful about the future. But as soon as he let that suitcase go, All of those worries, all of those anxieties melted away, and he could look forward now to what was going to happen in the future with a happy heart. So this week, think about what you're hopeful for and think about different ways that you could work on developing your character strength. And maybe with your class, if you have time at the end of today's assembly, maybe you could share your ideas together. Have a wonderful week, everybody.